It's midday with Mr. Handyman, Wayne Ozarzik. Thank you for being here. So I bought those little ones at the grocery store, you know, with those teeny little tools, and you're sawing and sawing and sawing and sawing. And so when you brought in all these power tools, I was like, okay, this is the way to carve a pumpkin.
Exactly.
And they look better, too. You brought in some amazing examples.
Yeah, it's quick, it's easy, and there's just lots of options.
All right, well, see, let's see some of them. You want to start over here with your little witch that you did there? So perfect circular eyes. We don't need to carve around them. How'd you do that?
We used a paddle bit there. You can use different sizes to create different size eyes or holes that you can either put bolts or something else in to make eyes. On this, we just used some paddle bits here, and then we carved it like an X-Acto knife and then used a chisel to take out all the extra material.
All right. He looks great there. This is my favorite. Can we get a shot of the spider over here with the PVC? That's PVC for the legs?
Yeah, PVC pipe, just like this. It comes in the store white. This and a couple of elbows to join the pieces together, and then paint it all black. And then after it was painted, we took again a paddle bit and made some eyes and a mouth.
How quick is that?
It was very quick.
That's what I love about it. And then you're even using tools to decorate, which I think is so much fun.
Yeah, on this we just used all sorts of miscellaneous hardware really around the house that was sitting around. Some bolts. This is a cabinet knob. So whatever items you can find, you can use.
What have you used for your earring here?
I think that's like an old shower curtain hook or something.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Get creative in that junk drawer, right? And here we go. We have some nails right on the top. I like to hammer those right in.
Right. You can just hammer in nails, and you can use like a rubber mallet that we have here, which would be safe for kids, too.
Sure.
If you want to, you can even set up the patterns on there, draw little dots. They can tap in nails or put screws in the holes, and they can help with the decorating.
And folks at home, if you're looking through the mouth there and you see the little white, what we've done is put some PVC pipe
yeah, there's
in
actually
between
some
to
of this,
stack them.
Some of this same pipe is in between. There's a hole drilled through all of them, just so it won't fall down.
So that way he stands up straight, looks a little like our snowman pumpkin. It's perfect. All right, do we get to try some of these? Can I try? Can I try?
Sure, we've kind of started one here. We've got a couple things we started, but this is like one of the eyes. And this would be the other eye right here. So if you wanted to drill a hole right where that dot is.
With this guy?
Yeah. You could just get it started right where that is and squeeze the trigger about halfway, and it'll go right through. And there you go.
Oh, that is so much easier.
There's an eye hole, and then you could just take a bolt of any kind, one that fits, and there's your second eye.
And there it is. Come on, folks at home. You have carved your pumpkins, and it's taken you hours, and this will just take all that time right off there.
Very fast and very creative.
Is there a specific bit that, you know, for this one, it doesn't look like something I typically have on the drill there?
It's a paddle bit. You get them in several sizes. We've got a few sizes here, depending on the size hole you want to make.
And that's more effective at making, obviously, the big round holes.
Yeah, it makes a very clean hole. If you need to make smaller holes, you can use standard wood drill bits. And then pretty much any miscellaneous hardware you have around the house, you can use to decorate.
This is the best idea I've seen in a long time. Thank you so much for all of this. You can visit the store on West Roosevelt Road and visit MrHandyman.com. If you want a link to see some of these terrific ideas and to watch the segment again, you can log on to WGNTV.com/midday. And we will be right back. So fun. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.